Anybody want to get paged by me? I'll page you. Anybody want to page me? Yeah! Codes. Like a secret code. Beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. I don't know Morse code. I'd have to learn Morse code. Or I'll just keep sending you gibberish. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. 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 Dash, dash, line, dash, line, 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 dash, dash, line, dash, line. Right. Oh, why are there only 4 options? Oh well, here's your button. Suslinks. You mean say so. Say so links. Yeah. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Here are some buttons for you. Enjoy your buttons. Next one is. This one. Chewy's karma. Arigato. Is karma chewy dayo? Wow. Nom 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 nom. Chewy karma. Is it shaded? Like... Is it dribbling? Is it derpy dribble bird? Yeah! Arigato, anonymous! Wow, that was the next one. I didn't do my but arigato! It's the ocarina! No, it's dash, 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 not dot, dot, dot. I do need to figure out why the banana's bouncing or the plot to my game. But I figured we'd all just accept collectively that bananas can jump and that bananas can bounce. Right? Like ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Right? Normal Northern Brit, arigato! Elia makes dopamine go brrr, so giving money is spoiling myself that way! I'm sure there's other ways to make the dopamine go brrr. Like eating food, or... I don't know what else. There's other stuffs, there is, I'm sure. Arigato. You will make my dopamine go brrr, brrr, brrr. Well, next one. So, who the heck am I? Yeah. It's an about me summary. Temporary model, okay? So don't judge me too hard. Onegaishimasu. Yeah. Hi. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hi. Next one is from Corin. It's this one. This one is matches this one. This was my current. I've not used this yet because I haven't really BRB'd. But yeah, it's this bird that I have up here on my head. It's the same bird. Oh, this is our BRB bird. The brb bird. Brb. It's a brb. It's a brb. This is the official brb. Remember, do you remember at school where they had those special staple guns? I always seem like such a weapon. A scary weapon. You know, the ones which are the junk. Like, yeah. I also don't like bristles. So to explain this one, it's like you know when people have like a sound that really makes them kind of thing, you know, like let's swap screens 다요. 맞대. Oh yeah. And we are. Whoa. Okay. But I am in England, which means it's nighttime, which means I need to do this. Get it? Get it? I don't know if I said that. I lick you. What? Yeah. Get it? Blah, blah, blah. Fang though. 다이스키 타요? 다이스키. Oh, I can eat this. It was a bit ambitious for me to be like, yeah, I can make this in like 2 days, while working on all the other stuff. Yeah. Like having a typewriter looks so cool. Like just vintage. And it could be like tiki taki tiki taki tiki taki tiki taki like that. I wanted to do that.